Why were you interested in taking up the Fodder Shrub project?
The fodder tree project sort of interested in a lot because of we've been through some adverse years lately, that we're trying to sort of drought-proof the farm a little bit. That's why we went into sort of perennials, subsidised the feeding of our sheep during the break of the season. We thought we could wander some ewes down through this area. Also sort of regenerate some of this land. We just brought another farm there, and it was over 800 hectares. It was salt country that they classed was non-productive, but we actually thought we could use that land in our business differently, so that's why we planted all. Try not to fight nature, but it was always full of salt bush, so we thought we'd probably put in some different salt bushes that would actually help us with our sheep enterprise.
So you're probably doing more because you can do it through the incentive.
We are doing more. First off, the first incentive was the fencing incentive, and that was a fantastic incentive to go and do that. That actually controlled all the area. Then the bushes came along. It was sort of just a natural progression into revegetating the whole area. There's pictures here before and after. Really, when we first attacked these areas or approached them, these areas were just salt scolds over the years. I think there was. I think the sheep really like to camp down here. They're a lot cooler spots, and actually it was very degraded area. But now that we can control it, you will see if we can get anything to grow in these areas, we find there's a lot more grasses growing underneath, far better habitat. But really, it does look far better than these salt scolds that were once dotted all this area. It actually has given you confidence that we can actually reclaim this land that we thought was a really no hope. We've actually been through a couple of very dry seasons, but once we get a couple of the wet ones, you can actually see it really regenerate. This is my life, this is the farm. This is my home. I'd rather have it look good. I'd rather get more returns. I like to, we're all about the environment. We always have been farming. We've got to be here for the long term. So I find this all very good. I really, as a community, I think we would all really like to appreciate NAC and Yarra Yarra for their effort that they actually do take out and put into our farms. And also in the community, all part of our community. You can see them around, very easy access at any local sporting event, or they're just another lot of people to talk to in our community and actually have a passion about what we are doing as too, which I find is good.